I'm lost. Where is everyone? No! We survived. Following family members are not allowed to watch this video. Tita G and Mommy. Hola amigos, it's November the 30th. 11 something. We're at the aquarium, and I know guys, I know that I said aquariums are bad, but I don't know, it wasn't my choice to go here. So anyways, I'm just saying an excuse why we're here, and I'm saying it's not my choice to go here, so just so they don't get mad at me. Still a tiny tank. They're so tiny. Little Nemo's in there. It's like the video on YouTube. Just put your hand in it. Mama, there's no animals in there. Guess what it is for it? Why are you scared?
Like a bomb? No, not a bomb.
This one is by itself, guys. Because the tigerfish is apparently territorial. It doesn't like being with other creatures. Oh my god, it's looking at us, guys. It went straight to the camera, like straight, because it's territorial. Oh. So it doesn't like it when I'm going too close. It goes straight to the camera. Oh, right? And it's like it's coming out. Oh my god, selfie.
He wants to eat you.
No, he wants a selfie. I feel bad that he can't attack us. He wants to kill us, and I feel bad. It's Dexter, the octopus, right? My mom is not a very vloggy person today. You're not very entertaining to the vlog today. Sorry. Guys, I'm going to go into the fish. Look guys, I'm inside the aquarium. Kind of creepy. What if this collapses on us? I don't know. Kind of smells though. That's funny. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Guys, she's going to feed the fish. She's up there. Oi! Here's another one. This is what we saw in the bottom of the sea in GL.
Urchin?
Sea urchin. Exactly that one, but it was black. It was like that one. Like that one. And then Tita Gin told me not to touch it because it would go inside you and it will break and you have to get it like removed by a doctor. No, don't touch this one. So pretty. Mr. Krabs is here, guys.
It's soft. It's not so hard. It becomes harder when it's dead.
What? When it's what?
You can try it out.
More fish.
Kiss it, your mouth will be numb for about 30 minutes.
Don't kiss it.
Don't touch the middle.
Tentacle there?
It's soft.
It says not to touch the mouth thing.
Oh my god.
The outer side.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything in here is living.
Aw, it's kind of cute.
It's petting.
Guys, we saw this when we were in the Philippines. We were swimming, and then next to us, a huge thing like that went like next to us. And Tita Gin said, "That's a school." And I was like, "A school with fish?" So I already knew before we came here what that was. Hashtag traveling school. Traveling school. Homeschool. Yeah, homeschool. Online. I saw the fish. It ate the fish. Oh no, it took one of the fish. I don't think that's supposed to be food. No, this might get demonetized. I know, I don't think these ones are supposed to be food. They are part of the attraction. We're outside, guys. I can still vlog even though it's not waterproof camera, but I can vlog you guys. Look.
This is Miss JoJo, and this is her trainer, CJ. Come up, just be back about 4. She was at a rehabilitation facility there because she had gotten a shoulder injury in the wild. So what'll happen is...
It would be 35 or a whole set would be 40 fitted.
Oh,
My face.
Are you not?
I don't know if that was worth $2 though. It's just wind. It's just wind and a messed up hairdo. My hair. It was fun, but I feel like our hair just got ruined. We survived under the sea, below the ocean. Why does it look like the water came through? Selfie. Oh. Yeah.
They're close to shore of a seagull.
I thought that was a real person over there staring. It scared me.
Creepy. It does look real, guys.
So satisfied they don't go after.
Oh my god.
I feel like it comes to
At night. At night it comes alive.
Yeah, at night it comes alive.
He has muscles. Yeah. I don't know if he has abs. He has abs. Does he have abs? Holding hands. Mom. No. That's creepy. I think
There's
he
another
needs
one sleeping there too.
wakey wakey. There was a guy. He came out and I opened the door for him and he was so happy. I feel like girls should also open doors for guys. Like you never see that. They get so happy when a girl opens the door for them. And it was kind of cute too. No, but they get so happy when you open the door for them.
But guys are already imitating us.
Yeah, but
soon there will be no difference. They're
No.
using makeup, they're using braid, they want us to open their doors. We should have some benefits for having mens and giving birth to their kids.
Oh my god.
Let's see what else is over here.
So funny, Mama. Freak out. I just said I opened the door for a guy and then what should I do? Like close it on him? What's next? Should I have closed it on his face, Mama? Yeah. But he was cute. And he was tired, Mama. He's working here. Oh my god, I'm going under. Oh, scary. I went into Narnia. Hello. Where is everyone? Where is everyone? Look at my hair after that tornado thing. Like my hair did not like that. So pretty here, guys. Obviously this would be prettier in nature, you know. But it's still pretty. Hopefully they're nice to the animals. I think they are. I think I'm lost. Where is everyone? Mama? I can't find them. Oh no, this is not a good place to get lost, guys. Mama? Oh! I got lost. Aww. Oi. Oh, they're so friendly. Wow. So big. Oh my god, their eyes. Why did the eyes look like? They look creepy.
Blind?
Yeah. Are they blind?
I don't know, it looked like it.
I got lost for 1 minute. Reunited.
I was saying no.
I was saying, Mama! Nobody answered. I was like, no. I'm going to be stranded in Madagascar forever. Look guys, little trail. Oh, this would look so pretty at night with those lights up. Santa's deer. Santa's deer. Smells fish in here. Smells fish in here. Is the duck a part of the aquarium?
Wild ducks?
Yeah, they are a part of the aquarium. No. Mama. You believe me all the time, Mama. Cute.
Those fly underwater to chase fish. So that's why they're so good at catching the fish. Because that's what they're built to do when they would be out in the ocean.
No. No. Oh my god, look at their beaks. Look at that. So cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. Oh, look like Pinky. Guys, my mom is in jail. Guys, my mom is in jail. We have to bail her out. Oh no. Oh no.
Let me go.
Let me. What TV show is that from, guys? Do you know? Yay, you're out of jail, Mama. Take the red cape. And then go to the red zone and then hide. Oh no, I can't see you. Oh no. Camouflage. Starfish versus human fish. Oh, they're going to go. Look at their mouths. Like this. We're in the gift store, guys. Look how pretty. It's for a Christmas tree. Love that. Oh, this is so pretty. Look. I love the magnets. They're a bit expensive. Cute, look. Oh, I love it. Look at this. Oh my god. So cute. Look at my mom's eyes, guys. It looks like just puppy eyes. We should just eat cheesecake. They got bigger. Just like...
We have a house like this. We looked out. Yeah, just like that.
Got a bit high from the cheesecake, Mama.
Oh, you didn't film?
No. So as well as here. Ooh.
Jessie, come and get an adrenaline kick here.
Just be careful.
Yeah, just be careful.
Oh my gosh, here it comes.
Yeah, now. Look at that.
Oh my god. It's better than an amusement park. Oh my
I told Maria we'll bring you here so you can scream with us.
Oh my gosh, that was scary. Oh my god. That was so close. Look at my hair, guys. It looks insane. Because I laid down and removed my hair tie. And now I look like a witch. Because I have a headache. My wisdom tooth is growing. It's growing. It's growing. Shout out of the day goes to
Jesslyn Cleodet Benaventura.
Shout out goes to you. Go down below, guys, and say hi to Jesslyn. And if you want the shout out, subscribe, and then tell me if you subscribed, and then I will give you a shout out. I didn't show you guys this earlier, so I got the Burt's Bees in the color Brimming Berry. This is for mommy. You guys are asking who is mommy, who is mama. What's the difference?
I'm the mama. I'm the one who...
because
this one.
I'm in love with my headphones. My mom got this from Amazon, right? It's by the brand Sound in Tone 165. You guys have to check this one out. You know what's good? The good thing about this is, look, it's like, okay, can you see? So the reason why I picked this one out is because it's perfect for traveling. Because, you know, I travel all the time.
You do?
Yeah, I do, but I mean, tried to sound like I was
a jet
spoiled.
setter.
Yeah, and so you do like this. I'm always scared to do this though, but it's supposed to go like that, and it goes like that. It looks scary, but look at that. And it's easy to put in your bag. Second thing, is this a review video? Look at the cord, guys. It's not an ordinary cord.
It's rounded.
It's textile around it, so it's not going to tangle and it's not going to break like usually.
But if you have a bunny, you don't have that.
Why did you have to mention the bunny? I love it. And the sound. I was listening to music last night, and I'm telling you, I understood my math better. I love this one, guys, the aloe vera socks. Like, I think my auntie Taji will love this one. She loves, you know, those beauty pampering things, and this one, it's a Christmassy one, and it's so soft. I love it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hopefully this pain goes away. Like, I had such a huge headache earlier and still do, but you know, have to move on. We got this. Isn't this adorable? We got this. It kind of reminds me of Adam's Family. We got this from the second-hand store, from Goodwill. And it's lace. Can you see that? It looks brand new. Then I got this one too. I know I always tell you guys to not go to the zoo, do not go to the aquarium and everything, and I still stand by that, because there's a lot of bad places like SeaWorld and stuff like that, which we 100% know that SeaWorld is a horrible place. Do not go there. You can do your research, guys, if you don't believe me, but it's not good there. The one we went to was in Newport, and the animals looked happy, you know, everything looked fine, everything, you know, but you never know what happens behind, like once everyone have left. Like, you don't know what actually happens there. I'm hoping that they're treating the animals right, and I think they are. Like, they look pretty chill with them, because it's not like an overly crowded place, and the animals don't have to perform like they do in SeaWorld. So I'm thinking maybe they are having it better, but of course it would be better if they were in the wild, you know. But yeah, I just don't want you guys to think I'm a hypocrite or anything, but I guess I am, because I went, but I didn't, like, it wasn't my idea to go there, guys. So anyways, I just don't want you guys to think that I am a hypocrite or anything. So anyways, I still feel like they should be in nature, and I love watching them in nature more. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please go down below and subscribe to this channel, AriaVille. Turn on the post notifications so you guys know when I upload a new video. Thanks, guys. So yeah, also follow me on my social medias at AriaVille and 011. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Gracias por ver, and I will see you guys the next time. Adios, amigos.